with soap and running water. Hello friends, my name is Stefan. I want to tell you about water cancer and family. Cover your cough and sneeze. Cover your mouth and nose with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Achoo. Second, put your tissue in a bin. Third, if you don't have tissue, cough or sneeze into your upper sleeve or elbow, not your hands. Achoo.